Print-on-demand, POD businesses have gained immense popularity over the years due to their low startup costs, minimal inventory risks, and the ability to cater to diverse customer preferences. As we move towards 2024, it's essential to stay ahead of the competition by identifying the best print-on-demand niches. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various steps to help you choose profitable and trending niches for your POD business. Begin by exploring popular trends and markets that are likely to continue growing in the coming years. Utilize tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and online forums to identify topics that garner interest and have a consistent demand. Some potential niches to consider include self-care, sustainability, pop culture, and personalized gifts. Understanding your target audience is crucial for selecting the right niche. Consider factors such as age, gender, interests, and geographical location. Conduct surveys, engage with potential customers on social media, and analyze data from your existing customer base to better understand their preferences. Assess the competition within each potential niche. Look for gaps in the market where you can offer unique products or improve upon existing offerings. Analyze your competitors' strengths and weaknesses to identify opportunities for differentiation and innovation. Determine the profitability of each niche by evaluating factors such as product pricing, production costs, and potential sales volume. Research average profit margins for similar products and consider the scalability of your business idea. Select a reliable print-on-demand platform that offers a wide range of products, customization options, and integrations with marketing tools. Some popular platforms include Printful, Printify, and Spod. Ensure the chosen platform supports your chosen niche and offers competitive pricing. Invest time and effort into creating high-quality, visually appealing designs that resonate with your target audience. Collaborate with graphic designers or learn design skills yourself to create distinctive and compelling products that stand out in a crowded market. Create a professional and user-friendly website or utilize marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay to showcase your products. Optimize your online presence with search engine optimization (SEO) techniques, engaging product descriptions, and high-quality product images. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan that includes social media promotion, email marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertising. Consistently engage with your audience and encourage customer reviews to build trust and credibility. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be well-equipped to identify and capitalize on the best print-on-demand niches in 2024. Remember, success in the pod industry requires continuous research, adaptation, and innovation to stay ahead in an ever-evolving market.